Do you like Management Reporter? When I ask GP users this question, most people tell me that it isn't their favorite tool. It can be difficult to figure out Management Reporter, and a lot of times you end up exporting the report to finish in Excel anyway. What if I told you that you could actually build your financial reports in Microsoft Excel? That is exactly what ActivReporter allows you to do. ActivReporter is an Excel add-in that allows you to build financial reports directly in Excel using formulas, formatting, charts, and all the other Excel features we know and love. The ActivReporter add-in provides new formulas that pull data from GP to populate amounts in your spreadsheet. Once the values are populated, you can actually drill back into GP to the underlying journal entries. If you make a change in GP, then all you have to do is refresh your Excel document or hit the F9 key, and your spreadsheet will update automatically. If building your financial reports using Excel looks amazing, then that's only the beginning. ActivReporter has many other features, including a smart list alternative, an active trial balance, automated report distribution, a tool to help automate your migration from Management Reporter to ActivReporter, report templates, and more. You're probably thinking to yourself, I bet this tool is expensive. It's actually really affordable at only $1,800 a year. We would love to show you more of what ActivReporter can do for you. You can watch a full demo of ActivReporter by going to accountingware.com/demo.